Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is talking about passive voice. Let's get started. Last time we talked about how to change a sentence that is using active voice into a passive voice. Today we are talking about different tenses. How to apply passive voice in different tenses. Let's take a look at the following example. This diagram is illustrating different tenses using passive voice. Let's take a look. Example. First of all, we take a look at example that is using active voice. Faye writes a book. And by changing the object to become a subject and the original color red turned to be a past participle acting as an adjective, and then the color red is what to be. It's was word. A book is written. If you want to mention who write this book, you can add an extra information by Faye. And past perfect tense, simple past tense, simple present tense, future tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, and past continuous tense. And for present perfect continuous, you have to be aware that in passive voice we seldom use present perfect continuous. At the same logic, we seldom use past perfect continuous in passive voice as well. Alright, then we further take a look at the diagram. This diagram is talking about all different tenses that we have from present times, future times, and time in the past. Okay, let's take a look. For present tense, a book is written. Okay, simply change the color red into its or am or are. Okay, and for present continuous tense, a book is being written by Faye. Change the is was word to become its being. And the past participle of the color red that we use in the active voice remain unchanged because we never change the different form of adjectives. Because we never change the form of an adjective. Then for future tense, a book will be written by Faye. Will be instead of is being or is was word. Another way of using future tense in passive voice is a book is going to be written by Faye. Changing the color red to is going to be. And then how about past tense? A book was written. Changing is to was and remain unchanged with the part written. And then present perfect tense has been or have been for plural form. And the past participle written remain unchanged. Then how about past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is the same, just change is was word to was being written. And for in passive voice, we don't often use present perfect continuous tense. Alright, so that's right, you can ignore this. Then how about a tense happened before past tense? A book had been written. Past perfect tense. A book had been written. Alright, then again, we seldom use past perfect continuous tense in passive voice, so this one you can ignore. And a summary will be listed here in the document. And you can see different tenses actually using different form of verb to be. And the most important thing to every one of you is that remember the color red is the verb to be. Just simply change different form of verb to be when you are using different tenses. And the past participle will be unchanged. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.